the podcast, The Social Lens. Okay, where we uncover the world of human behavior. Today I will be hosting, and hi, I'm Alia Radhika Sulaiman, and I'm here with these really awesome people. Say hi, guys.
Hi.
Please introduce yourself.
Okay, my name is Herlita Anggreni. You can call me Lita.
Okay, I'm Gretel Renata. You can call me Gretel.
Hello, I'm Miss Rilda Cahyani. You can call me Nindis.
Okay, and you guys can call me Alia, right?
Okay.
And today's episode is all about social psychology, or as we all know, is the science of how people influence, think about, and relate to one another. Before we get into our main topic, I have something to ask you guys.
Okay.
What was your first impression of each other? Okay, first let's start from Miss.
Okay. Wow. Okay. Let's start from Gretel. Okay.
Okay.
So, my first impression of her was that she's smart. She was smart. And then for Alia, I always thought that she's kind.
Okay.
I actually thought that she's from Jaksel because she has this Jaksel girl vibe, you know. Jaksel. And then for Lita, my first impression of her was that she's funny and because I always found her laughing at something.
Okay. For me, Nindis looks like a very nice person, right? The face is so nice. So for Lita, actually she's friendly because she always smile all the time. So for Alia, I think her lip color suits well for him.
For me, I think Gretel looks like the type of girl who is secretly ambitious and smart.
Okay.
And for Ninis, my first impression, she looks naturally pretty and quiet. And for Alia, my first impression of her, just like Gretel said, Alia looks very suitable with the color of
Yeah.
her lipstick, describing her as brave.
Oh, yeah, that's right.
Okay, well, this is very interesting. So, guys, right now we will dive deeper about your first impression. Do you guys think that first impression can last even after you close with that person?
Okay, so we all know the saying, you never get a second chance to make first impression. But why the first impression even matters so much? Well, it's because we tend to remember the first bit of information we get about someone. This we know as the primary effect. But are first impressions right? Some studies have actually shown that they can be accurate for surface level stuff, but as get to know someone better, those impressions might shift. That's 1 second, third, and 100 impression kick in. In conclusion, first impressions are important, but don't let them define a person entirely. People are way more complex than that.
Oh, that's really interesting. Well, if that's the case, can you guys explain the change in your judgment after getting to know each other?
Okay. Yeah. For Gretel,
Okay.
I said she's smart. She is smart, you know. But I noticed that she's not just smart, she's also brave.
Ooh.
Yeah, because whenever she has these brilliant ideas or opinions, she's never scared. She's never afraid to talk about it, you know. And then for Alia, well, I am right about her being kind. She is very kind, but I'm so wrong about her being Jaksel girl because she's not from Jaksel. She's from Bekasi, just like
Okay.
me.
Bekasi Pride.
Yeah, guys. And then for Alia, it doesn't change much, but she's still bubbly, and I always found her laughing every time.
Okay, for now, Gretel is still as smart as I thought, but she's surprisingly confident. And for Nini, she's turned out to be just calm instead of quiet, and she turned out to be friendly. And for Alia, she doesn't look sassy, but she turns out to be very kind to others, right?
Yes.
Okay. Well, it is the proven that the first impression doesn't describe people completely. Maybe it is a little exaggerated, but it turned out that there are many things that are more than the first impression.
Okay, that's right. I once read in a journal that first impression happen in the first 7 seconds when we see the person. So depending on the information in the first 7 seconds. Well, because first impression are only formed from the first 7 seconds, which can be said to a very short time, right? So that's why our judgment tend to be inaccurate. But sometimes it's accurate, like our first impression. But mostly it's inaccurate. So, for example, Ninis thought that I am smart, right? That's true, actually.
You are.
But after getting to know me better, it turned out that she had many other advantages that she didn't know from the first impression.
Yeah.
Okay, so that's because we judge the person's personality only from the first 7 seconds. So the information we get is very little from the actual facts.
Okay, well, when you meet a new person, what is the first thing you access? Is the expression or experience or what?
In my opinion, appearance and expression are important, especially for first impression. If their expression is sassy, sometimes I feel that they are arrogant, even though it doesn't necessarily mean that their personality is really arrogant. It could just be their expression, right?
Yeah.
Yes, that's right. But in my opinion, behavior also affect our first impression of other. Because in addition to looking at their appearance, we actually also observe that people behavior, right? If their behavior is good and their manners is acceptable, we will immediately judge them to be good and vice versa.
Yes.
That's right.
Now, relate to first impression, I also ask you if you believe in the love at first sight.
Oh, okay.
Okay, because we falling in love at the same time as our first impression of the person from it, right?
Yeah.
Not really. I think you can admire someone instantly, but love, that takes time.
Yeah.
Okay, I get it, but you know what? Actually, there's an actual psychological research about love at first sight. So, from what I can remember, let's say there's B and there's C. So B might be attracted to C because they look similar, and then in turn, C might see them as having similar qualities and compatible personality. And this mutual attraction could lead them to locking eyes, you know, and they signaling their interest in each other. Their eyes, their gazing, you know. As they continue to gaze into each other's eyes, their feelings may deepen, creating instant emotional bond. And then this connection could result in love at first sight, where both of them feel an immediate attachment at the same time.
Oh, isn't all there is research too? Yeah. I have never experienced it, but has anyone ever experienced?
Okay. I've never experienced that kind of love, so but maybe you've experienced it when you meet someone new. Like there's feeling like, oh, I feel compatible to being friends with him or her. Just friends, yeah, friends. Either because you feel like he or she has the same value as you, or basically there's a similarity that makes us feel comfortable. So that's why we're interested in being friends with him or her.
Okay, interesting. It turns out that there is also a relationship between love at first sight and first impression. Come to think of it, a love at first sight can actually be said to be very strong form of first impression, can it?
Yeah, for real. And actually, if we bring in psychology, love at first sight is like a super strong halo effect. Like when we notice a standout positive thing about someone, let's say their looks, we automatically assume that everything else about them is awesome too. But honestly, that's not always correct. They could have a terrible personality or something.
Yeah, it's true. So love at first sight is like an emotional shortcut that our brains take to judge new people. But it can also be dangerous if we believe too much in first impression and don't try to see the other side of them.
Yeah. That's why it's really important not to rush to conclusions, right? Because like what we discussed before, both first impression or love at first sight are the beginning of our interaction with someone. And after we get along later, we realize that they're much more complex than we thought at the first. So they could be better or even have sides that we not expect.
Yes, and one more thing, we have to realize that we all have biases, so we need to always remind ourselves to not completely trust our initial judgment. And I think it's also important to learn more, because only through impression we can know more about someone that applies to regular social relationship or potentially romantic relationship.
Wow, conversation is exciting, right?
Yeah, very exciting.
So, we have conclusions, right? Conclusion. First question are important and even very influential, like in the case of love at first sight. But that's all just the beginning, whether it's in social or anything. We need time and opportunity for ourselves and others to show who and how they are. Because in the end, the organization is much more complex than it was from the first 7 seconds. It's really thanks. Okay, thanks back for your time. You made me so fun to talk with you guys. Yeah, I guess hope it's helpful and see you next time. Bye.